2026. A new year, a new energy, a new story to write. 2026 carries a special meaning. The Cegos Group reaches a unique milestone, its 100th anniversary. 1926 to 2026, a century of commitment, of skills development, of shared transformations. A century alongside those who learn, innovate, act, and help transform the world. These 100 years are a momentum to imagine the future, to place people at the heart of our decisions, to transform skills into performance by your side. We wish you the best for 2026 and for the 100 years ahead. Let's write them with boldness, with meaning, and always together.